Before begins, I want to share why I was so bullish today. See, yesterday's option chain data of big players, FII and proprietor, how bullish they were in put writing. This was a put writing contract. This was a call writing contract in gross. Okay, I will be showing in net daily, but this is was in the gross. So background, they were super bullish. 6 lakhs versus 7 lakhs put writing, call writing, 11 lakhs versus 16 lakhs contract in put writing. So total 71 lakhs contract in put writing, 60 lakhs contract in call writing. So it was a huge bullish position they have made, but today what they did, they have unwinded after a certain thresholds they have reached in Nifty and Bank Nifty. They have started unwinding their put writing contracts. So let's begin today's data and see. Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today it was a huge volatility. I didn't expect this huge volatility. I thought market has to be sideways only or else it has to move higher, but we have seen a good upside move and also a downside move and also a consolidation in between. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart, we have opened very positively. We have opened, this was our resistance, and I thought we are going to break out from this consolidation and we'll see a very good high today, but this was unexpected, came back to the CPR level, and this was our top to bottom trend line. It broke that also and again came to our support level and closed with 91 points negative. Whereas Bank Nifty was also super bullish and this was consolidation. I thought this was a positive consolidation and we can see a new high in Bank Nifty also. But again, same story, came back to the CPR level and again it tried to come to the resistance level and again it has broken the lows, broken the support and given a very heartbreaking closing by 280 points negative closing. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big cap planned. We'll follow by FII in options input. They were holding 2.36 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have added 42,000 contracts. So they had 2.76 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 3 lakhs of call buying contract. Now they have unwinded 59,000 contracts. So they have 2.44 lakhs of call buying. Put buying is more than call buying. We can consider this is a bearish positions in options. Future index 48% long, 52% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short by 2 percentage. Stock future percentage 55% long, 45% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 212 crores. So see, they have hedged their positions in F&O but purchasing in cash market. Client are the retailers. Input they were holding 57,000 contract input writing. Today they have added 2.99 lakhs, so they have 3.56 lakhs of put writing contract. And in call they were holding 3.70 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded 2.70 lakhs of call writing contract. Still holding 99,000 contract in call writing. So they are super bullish in options. In future index 51% long, 49% short, neutral positions. Stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short, and they sold for 233 crores in the cash market. So see, we can consider this as bullish positions they have made. Promoters in put, they were holding 2.67 lakhs of put writing. They have unwinded 2.53 lakhs contract, still holding 14,000 of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 66,000 of call buying. They have made a fresh call writing of 1.44 lakhs contract in call writing. So they are bearish in options. In future index 49% long, 51% short. They have increased the long, reduced the short by 5%. Stock future percentage 63% long, 37% short, and they have purchased for 238 crores in the cash market. So promoter has their positions in Defendo and going long in cash market. DI have sold for 4 not 5 crores in the cash market. So the cash market net value was 188 crores negative value. Put call ratio Nifty for coming week is at 0.77 and for month end it is at 1.34. Bank Nifty for coming week it is at 0.66 and bank for month end it is at 1.09. So see, for coming week Nifty and Bank Nifty is neutral and for month end it is super bullish. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for coming week. See what people are holding and what people have done today. People carry forwarding 18,700 short straddle. More call writing we have seen at this strike price. So this will act as support and resistance, but more like a resistance only it looks as of now. Bank Nifty for coming week, see what people hold. 44,000 people carry forwarding short straddle, and this surely acts as support and resistance, a good tuck of war between call writer and put writer at 44,000. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See, they are again trading near their all-time high. This was the 52 weeks high. They broke already, and now they are trading near this level, and they are positive trading by 104. Whereas Dow also trading positive by 83 points. SGS trading flat by 11 points, and India VIX crashed 1.6 percentage, 11.2, still comfortable. So Nifty in longer time frame, in 1 day chart pattern, see, we have a trend line from top to bottom. It has took the support at that level, so it is still wait and watch. Today it has formed a shooting star kind of a candle, and it is a bearish engulfing candle also we can consider. So it is still wait and watch for tomorrow's level. As per price action, we don't have any view. Same with the bank Nifty in longer time frame, it has formed a shooting star kind of a candle, and these candles represent a negative condition, and where has top to bottom also trend line support is almost meeting here, so it is wait and watch as per the price action. Let's mark the algo points. Nifty's support comes around 18,575 and first resistance comes around 18,738. Bank Nifty support comes around 43,789. Resistance comes around 44,330. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data, the big player have hedged their positions. We cannot say negative, nor we can say positive, because they have hedged their positions. They're purchasing in cash market. So the market has to be sideways as per the open interest analysis. But as per the price action, it is showing a bearish position if the supports are broken. So it is still wait and watch, and I believe we can get a good buy on dip and sell on rise. Many people stop losses will be hitting at at this time, so we can be getting a good scalping trade on both the sides. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.